Welcome back everybody to the video, and today talking Huawei P11, and the name of the smartphone is probably not going to be the P20, it's going to be the P11, and the smartphone was spotted on the company's testing page. Now, Huawei is preparing for the launch of its upcoming smartphone, and overall, the P11 is getting a lot of attention around the world. It's also rumored to be having many different variants, many different designs options, and also perhaps we may be seeing a notch design very similar to the iPhone 10. It's most likely that everyone is awaiting the smartphone at MWC 2018 held in Barcelona, Spain, and the phones were actually accidentally listed on the company's official testing page, which actually people have been taking screenshots of it. You can see here the Huawei P12 new, the Huawei P11, and you see a different Huawei smartphone on the very right. And just keep in mind that the smartphones you see above the names are not actually the P11. It's just random smartphones that Huawei put on there. It is just a testing page. Keep that in mind. That is not actually the design of the Huawei P11. It's going to be having a very beautiful and unique design. And definitely Huawei is really going for that bezel-less display. So it's pretty much official now. We're definitely going to be seeing the Huawei P11 sometime soon. If Huawei's already starting to test it on their actual page, then we definitely might be seeing that coming around soon. The other big thing is Huawei is trying their best to get their smartphones in the US market and other markets as well. And in MWC 2018, we might also be hearing some rumors of new Huawei smartphones. But once again, P11 is really the smartphone that Huawei is using for Q1 and Q2 to attack the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the iPhone 10. Thanks for watching. Comments below. How do you feel about the P11?